and especially youth. We gather tonight to celebrate light, a symbol of shared across all faith. In Islam, light is not only something we see, it is something we become. God Almighty says in the Quran, the holy book of Muslims, Allahu nur samawati wal ard. Allah is the light, the God Almighty is the light of the heavens and the earth. Light means doing what is right. Light means kindness, honesty and compassion. Light means helping someone who feels alone. Light means standing up for the justice when others remain silent. And our youth, you are the brightest part of our community. God says every child is born on the nature. And the nature of God is that we should be the bestest of the best creation of God Almighty. Human beings are the bestest of all the creation what we see across the globe and heavens. Adding to the spirit of holiday, we celebrate as a Muslim two major holidays. One is after the Ramadan, we celebrate the feast called Eid. And the second one we celebrate of the sacrifice of Prophet Abraham, patriarch of all the three major religions, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. And that is when he took his son for the sacrifice. We commemorate by visiting to Mecca. And this, after visiting and doing the rituals, we sacrifice and we shave our head and we thank God for giving us this tradition of remembering patriarch of all the faith and humanity, Adam, peace and blessing be upon him and all of his descendants and followers. Islam celebrates these two major holidays and we show the gratitude, sacrifice and sharing. We feast, and Prophet Muhammad, when he immigrated to Medina, he says, first thing, he said, "At'amu ta'am, afshu salam, udkhulu jannata rabbikum." Feed the people. Feeding hungry, there's no better thing to do than feed a hungry human or all the creation of God. Feeding them is the best thing we can do. And then this holidays, we should remember in our community and across the globe, if anybody who is hungry, feed them. And also spread the salam, peace. There's nothing more a humanity or anything we needed in the world forever and all the time, every time is the peace. And we should pray peace, we should spread peace, we should greet with the peace. And this is the greeting of Islam. Islam means peace. And what we do when we meet each other, as in Hebrew they say shalom, in Arabic it says salam. Both have same meaning. It is just the difference of Arabic and Aramaic. And this is what our message for tonight. Peace and blessing be upon all the mankind, all the humanity, all the children, and all the older and adult. As we know in holidays, being in a health profession as a physician, I find a lot of my elderly patients, they feel lonely. I have a Jewish patient, she lost her husband just now, a few months ago. And in this Thanksgiving, she sent me a sad message. She said, "I'm alone, I'm missing my husband." So we should make sure we visit those who are in need. And there's nothing more than seeing grandchildren and children visiting the parents and elders. And not just one day, we should make sure we visit them and make sure we make them feel that we belong to them and they need us and we need them. There's nothing better than making a person feel a sense of belonging. So this is the message of today. Enlighten other people's life by becoming their light. Don't we say our children are our light and our children are our future. The message we teach them, and this young group people sitting here, you are the future of mankind. Make sure you carry the light of peace for everybody. Thank you.